What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but we're back at it today on the S10. Like always, I was gone working, but we're back now, kind of tinkering away at little things. I don't have an aluminum welder, so fortunately I got all the pieces. I'm going to get them all kind of mocked up, drawer lines on them, get them all ready. And I got a good friend coming over from Core Fabrication here in Calgary. He's going to whip up the aluminum welds for me. But yeah, we got the intercooler in here. The intercooler here is all mounted, treadstone intercooler, 9-inch core, 3-inch out, 3-inch in at the bottom here. Out's going to come here, up and into the throttle body right there, and then I think the blow-off valve we're going to stick somewhere off the side here. But we got a bunch of goodies over here. We got our turbo flange here. I got that from Jegs. This will go on the turbo itself, O-ring with a clamp. Got some quick release clamps here, 3-inch aluminum ones. These are really nice for, you know, ease of taking off piping. Got some pie cuts made up. I got some straight piece here, and I got 390s, 3-inch here, and then we got this gem right here, 50 mil blow-off valve, Black Sheep Industries, Canadian company. Go check them out. I think it's blacksheepindustries.com or .ca. Go on the website, got lots of cool stuff on there. And the two people that run that are awesome. They'll help you out whenever you need it. And they make great quality products. Packaging's awesome. And you can see it comes all nice and packed up. You got your extra springs. And then it's just a quality piece. Really nice. Really nice piece. Comes with 3 ports, all 1/8 MPT thread on them. Obviously the bottom port will be really good for supercharger guys, I think, is what they say. And then it comes with a heavy flange, real heavy spec flange here. See that? For mounting the wastegate onto whatever you need. But holy shit, that's a nice piece. And then yeah, like I say, I think this is gonna go somewhere on the side here. It's the only place I can get it. I can't get it upside down. I might do the Mack truck thing. I don't know. Stick it right out the top. Be kind of silly with all the lines coming off of it. So I think we're just going to stick to the side. And we're going to put it here, and hopefully it all works out. So Sunday, he's coming over to take a look at that. Kind of give me a price on what it's going to take to weld that up. Obviously, I don't have a aluminum welder yet, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Yeah, and then this side here, like this one's easy. A couple pie cuts, and I'm going to short down the 90. I'm going to do a video you guys will see. I'm going to probably do it right now after I'm done this. Cut this off. Put the flange on there. Put the quick release on there. And then that's a solid fixture. And then this will give me a place if anything wants to blow up. That'll be where I want to blow the boot off. So I always like to have one weak spot in the boost, in the charge system. That way you're not going to blow up this or blow up your intake lid or whatever it is, right? Anyways, just want to come off of here and down and up in this short little shot. Right to the turbo. I don't know if you can see it under there. Right to the turbo. Nice and easy. So People, what's going on, guys? Sorry it's been a while, I know, but hope you enjoyed that little time lapse I had of the welder and me kind of fabbing up the pipe there. But we're all done on the cold side now. It's finally all done up front, so let's show you that. All done here, looking good. We still got the bumper to put on and the plastic piece and the grill, but that's no big deal. We'll get that done. We just literally finished it up. So got some mounts mounted up for the Treadstone intercooler, 9-inch core, 3.5 inches wide, I think it is. So yeah, comes off the 92 mil here, comes down around underneath, comes up into the passenger side and out of the top. So yeah, I got these nice little clamps here off Amazon. I don't know, hopefully they'll work, but yeah. And then it's a swoop up and a swoop in. Temperature sensor here for IAT, I guess it would be called, I think. Good old Black Sheep Industries blow-off valve, great product. Heavy duty flanges to weld to. Absolutely no problem with welding penetration on those. So those are nice, great product. Check them guys out. Canadian company. Real nice stuff over there. I'm going to eventually upgrade my wastegates to some of their ones, but for now, front end's all done. Everything up here should be good to go. So we'll get the clip on, the front clip on, and all that good stuff. And this truck is done for the engine bay. A couple little things I got to address, like the transmission tube here, dipstick. We'll fix that up. But that's all minor stuff. Yeah, I did get it running a little bit on with the cold side hooked up, because obviously it's going to change the tune, obviously, a little bit. But I ain't no tuning wizard, so we'll get the professionals over, and they'll help me out and show me what I need to do and get it all running right. But I'm going to wait until I get the torque converter in. I've been a little busy and I'm doing a bunch of things. So money's a little tight right now for buying parts for the truck, but we'll get there. So yeah, but if it doesn't make it to the dyno this year, it will definitely be out next summer, 100%. Testing and tuning and all that good stuff. But there's still lots to do. We got 2 seats to put in it. The roll cage, the shifter, all that stuff will be on its way soon. And we'll get right back to that project. But yeah, looking forward to it. The truck looks, I can't wait to get it out on the street. I know you guys are probably sick and tired of it, seeing it in this shitty garage, but one day, I promise, this thing will be on the fucking road. So yeah, but on other news, CTS-V, absolutely running mint.
It has 8 gears and not 8 neutrals.
Holy fuck, they're moving.
Well, I wouldn't quite say mint. Full throttle, it's great. City driving, the transmission's having a little bit of trouble. It's hunting, but got a plan for that coming up here soon. We'll get that all fixed up. The new clutches, the new torque converter, absolutely phenomenal. Working like a charm, pulls like a fucking freight train. So loving this thing right now. It's been out and I've raced a couple things and it's done really, really well. So I'm pretty happy about that. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, we're back. I'm running out of space on my phone. Anyways, so yeah, doing good on that. We'll get that thing tuned up, and then the season has just begun, so I'll make sure I get lots of videos of the V out racing. But yeah, that's about a little update of what's going on. I've been gone for a while, so I haven't had much time to film and edit and all that stuff, but I really appreciate you guys all sticking around and watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and helping the channel out grow. And I plan on growing this channel to hopefully something decent one day. Yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you stay tuned and hit that subscribe button and like button, and leave a comment. Tell me what you liked and don't like. You see anything on the truck, help me out, you know what I mean? Tips and tricks never hurts, right? That's what we're all about. Communication is key. So anyways, thank you. Have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.